As we know, there are many applications of blockchain technology in various industries, and having known many of these features, now let us concentrate on knowing some of the applications in educational technology and many educational institutions. These will be transforming features like academic records, learning platforms, and condensing information because many students can have their documents very safely saved, like certificates and many of the important documents. We know that blockchain is a decentralized, tamper-proof, and digital ledger. Why education needs blockchain? Because it eliminates fraud and enhances security. Many key features of the blockchain, like decentralization, immutability, integrity, and smart contract operations, can be benefiting most of the clients as well as students, including administrators. So, we know that there are many problems in the current systems as well as the institutions where the degrees are offered. So, for example, problem of fake degrees and credentials and fraud. Employees struggle to verify degrees. Also, because of the requirement as well as popularity of degrees, there are many diploma mills and credential fraud are growing concerns. However, to overcome this, the traditional verification, even though in place, it is time consuming and also verification is little bit difficult. So, in such scenario, blockchain for secure and tamper-proof academic records becomes important because blockchain ensures permanent immutable records. Once the information is secured into the blocks, it cannot be changed. So, digital diplomas and transcripts can be verified instantly because the very mechanism as well as the process of blockchain ensures this. Because of the other features also, it reduces hacking risk and which is apparent in the centralized databases because the chain is decentralized, so these risks are avoided. Having known these features, there are many universities world over which are already operating and using the technology in their programs. For example, MIT digital diplomas using blockchain. Also, University of Nicosia seems to be the first blockchain-based academic certificates. Also, many universities like Harvard and UC Berkeley are researching to make it applicable and implement in their programs. Decentralized learning platforms and smart contracts will be having important applications. For example, block-based, blockchain-based learning will be having course contents and assessments stored in blockchain. So it will be easy and also accessible to the many of the students as well as they can safely and surely learn these processes. It will be helpful for the teachers also. The smart contracts, which will be uh, ensuring automate enrollments, payments, and certifications. Since the peer-to-peer learning is also one of the component of blockchain, students and educators can connect each other without intermediaries. In addition to this, there are also micro credentials and digital badges. Students can earn blockchain based skill certificates, which will be very important and also relevant in the current trend of technologies and ensuring the applications of the new developments. In addition, employers can verify credentials instantly. Also, it promotes lifelong learning and career advancement. As new techniques and skills become important, it is important to be relevant and also involve such activities throughout the career process as well as lifelong learning. Now, let us delve into student data privacy and ownership. Blockchain gives students control over their academic data so that The exact records as well as veracity can be easily ensured. It also eliminates third party access without permission because it ensures that the data entry as well as control by the each peer to peer is entirely in this, and also since it is decentralized, nobody can change the records without any permission, or else the any changes, small changes will be immediately reported. It complies with data protection laws and IPR. Nowadays, the data protection is also important, and the application of blockchain technology in such cases will be one of the important component. Now, there are also issues like plagiarism, and uh, this can be easily handled by blockchain technology. Also, time stamping will ensure that the particular mechanism is proof, foolproof, as well as work will be in genuine cases. Each research paper, thesis, or assignment gets a time stamped blockchain entry. It prevents academic fraud and unauthorized modifications. So, because of these combinations, there will be promoting transparency in academic publishing also. So, considering these advantages, there are also issues with respect to transparent peer reviews and open access research because problem is biased and opaque peer review process. So this can be easily eliminated if blockchain technology is applied and efficiently utilized. The blockchain solution can be because of the key features like immutable, transparent, and decentralized review system, so that there will not be any biasness, and the whatever comments as well as clear-cut opinions are expressed are kept in place, and also the genuinity is ensured. For example, blockchain-based research repositories, so that anyone who has the ownership can be genuinely claiming it, and there will not be changes. Apart from the educational specificities, there are also management issues which can be useful for by applying blockchain technology. For example, scholarships and student loan management. The distribution of scholarship ensures fair and transparent allocation because of the process itself is transparent, and there will not be undue influences, as well as once the decision is made, it is conveyed in a direct manner and also preserved in the records. Also, smart contracts for student loans, which ensure automated repayment terms, so that the process itself smoothened and also is clear right from the beginning. There will not be any room for ambiguity. It also ensures that there will not be unauthorized modifications, so that preventing the fraud will become one of the important components. There are also cost savings and enhanced efficiency in education because blockchain reduces administrative costs, paperwork, and verification delays. All these will ensure there will be smoother and more efficient management, and also the institutes can be benefited to a large extent. Also, degrees issuance, tuition payments, and credential verification will be can be very easily automated, and also this will be helpful for smooth running. Also, digital records accessible anytime and anywhere. Considering the advance of the technology, once the records are there, so one need not have to worry about particular sources. The cloud uh, storage will ensure that the records can be obtained anywhere. So, despite all these advantages, there are also challenges in the adoption of blockchain for the agriculture, for the all the institutes, including education, because considering the technology requirements, there will be high implementation costs. For example, institutions need infrastructure upgrades, especially in initial stages. There are also regulatory uncertainties. Different countries and systems have different data laws. So, to make it effective, the application will have to consider all these things. There are also technical gaps because of the educators and administrators need to be very much aware of the requirements as well as they have to get trained in such activities so that there will be smooth running. Future trends and opportunities can be grasped in such a way that more and more universities adopting blockchain or secure credentials, and also there is a future of AI plus blockchain for personalized learning experiences, utilizing best features of both. Also, decentralized autonomous universities may emerge in future. So, considering all this, the technology of blockchain ensures, enhances security, transparency, and efficiency in education. It is useful for universities, students, and employees benefit from verified credentials. So, it is advised and encouraged that all the institutes in future should adopt it so that it becomes more value. Also, uh, the advantages are conveyed to many. Thank you. Thank you very much.